Hey everyone, this is Arun and I'm back again with another video. So today in this video, I have created an invoice template in Excel, and this invoice gets automatically generated from the Excel data. So this is a wholesale sheet that I've created, and in this sheet we have created a lot of products with categories wholesale and retail and case. So column A has a drop down where we can just select the type of products we are putting in the invoice. And then in column C, we have the list of products. So these all are the list of products from top to down. It says inventory. Then we have the prices set. So this one is the retail price. And then this one is the wholesale price. And then in column F, we have case price. So each product, we have their own price. Now, for total column, it's automatically gets created once we put the number of items. So let's say I selected whole, I selected retail. So I put two quantities for retail. Now, once they see the retail, then the total gets printed automatically for the retail price. Now again, I'm putting 4 products for wholesale. Now my total gets generated to 84. So in this way, we can just put the quantities here manually. And once we did the quantity, then we just want to click on print. So my invoice gets automatically printed. So as we can see, this one is the invoice. That's that's in PDF format, and it's generated automatically when I clicked on the print button. So going back to the template. So this is the template, and this one is the logo, and this one is our information. So this one is we just need to fill one time this information, and rest of the information are using formulas. So they get generated from sheet 2 here. So this one and this one, this cell and this cell, they all gets generated automatically once we fill the information here. So it's very simple to use, and we can generate as many as number of PDFs using this Excel template. So any questions, or if you have any questions or any queries regarding this templates of how it's working, and if you have any customizations, maybe different data, or maybe something which you need more enhanceability, or maybe some more integrations regarding email, etc. So we can just discuss more on that. So I will be leaving my all contact details, just like email and WhatsApp, and other, just like other details like Teams info. So we can do I mean, we can connect, and thereon we can discuss about the requirements, and we can log the requirements, and we can finalize the payments, and then we can just go into the project. So I hope you like this information and the video regarding this invoice template that I created in Excel. So thank you for watching this video, and have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye.